This sound test reveals if your hearing is actually rare. If you can hear this high-pitched tone until the very end, your ears are built different. But if you hear absolutely nothing, you might just be an NPC. Almost everyone loses the sound at this point. You've entered the 95% zone. Like the video if the ringing is still there for you. NPCs already got eliminated. Only the real main characters are still hearing it. If you actually made it to the end, like, subscribe, and send this to someone who definitely won't pass.